guys, it's very early in the morning and we're already out the house on the way back.
At 6 a.m.
Yeah, we actually left at 6 a.m. because we had to go get our bloods done. Because we're doing a visa renewal. Can you believe it's been 3 years in Dubai? 3 years.
It feels like a month.
Literally. Spend the day with us. We're gonna take you along for...
Christina's dragging me out tonight. I said, I'm not going out. Right? I've told her this. Then she sees me in person, somehow talks me into going out.
I live a very, very, very wild lifestyle.
We actually made it to the gym, didn't we?
Got no headphones. And
She loves it in here.
I want to sleep. For 3 hours sleep. I'm not okay. Really not.
Gym is complete. How do you feel?
Actually, do you know what? Do you know what? I was so tired that I didn't want to go. And I was like, can I just sit in terracotta downstairs and just have a coffee and wait
Yeah,
for
she
you to
was
come
like, can
out?
I just go and get pancakes instead while you're in the gym? I was like, no way. But 10
I feel
out of
better
10.
for doing it.
Yeah. Our favourite place.
I've actually
Grandiose.
been twice a day. So
Literally, we live here. Never met someone as obsessed with croissants as this girl.
this is my favourite, right, at the moment. But I think I might get turkey and cheese.
Healthy queens that we are, we've got a ginger shot. Taking tequila. I forgot to put my shoes, so this is the salon, Liberty Beauty Lounge. We had such a productive day and then we ruined it.
No,
because...
Christina ruined it because I told her and Kay that I'm not going out tonight.
Oh.
Fucking hell. And what am I doing?
Anyway, the girls are going out.
How do I get this on?
Kaylee hasn't been out. How long?
Since November. Last year.
Last year.
2024. She's a new girl.
This is the next day. This is us. This is the realistic side of the vlog.
It's 9:30 in the morning, that's what it is.
It's, yeah. We had McDonald's breakfast and I don't remember getting home.
You got water? And that just sums you up as a person. Your water's on the side.
On our healthy kick era.
Oh yeah.
But yeah,
all the wine
that is
drunk.
the vlog of basically how most of our days look like when we're off in Dubai. Ciao. Love you.